Welcome to episode 7. You might have seen last week that Harri and I installed our solar panels and our ceiling cladding, so this week, naturally, it's time for our wall cladding. Now this is a bit more confusing than the ceiling cladding, as we have to account for where our windows are and where our future furniture will be. So stick around and see what we get up to.
Here we go!
Hi!
It's Monday morning.
So this week is 7th week now,
7th week.
and we're going to get on with
Some wall cladding. I think we're going to get on with just the top half today because we've already got some of our timber struts in there, and we're just going to make some more timber struts to support the cladding and then get on with doing the top half of it.
yeah, let's go.
Let's go!
Woo!
So we started by measuring our timber framework struts and then cutting them to size with the circular saw. We're using Wickes 22 by 36 centimetre timber strut.
So a few weeks ago we already put these timber struts on the wall to support our cladding. So we're basically opening our reflective foil bubble wrap to make sure we're not going into any of the wires that are behind it. And then afterwards we'll just have to aluminium foil tape it up again. After making sure we wouldn't drill into any of the wires, we double checked that our timber strut was the correct size and started drilling our easy drive screws into the wood first and then into the metal of the van.
We continued to do this with the higher wall parts of our van before installing the cladding.
Some timber struts had to be thinned and cut at weird angles to allow the cladding to join up seamlessly.
So what we've done is we've put in a little support noggin, we called it, just to put in there, just when we put our cladding along this line here. I'll show you really quick, just so when we put this cladding along this line here,
Yeah.
this noggin up here kind of holds it out against the wall so you don't get a massive gap here. Even though we're going to have trim over the edge anyway, just thought it would keep it closer together.
Perfect.
So yeah, let's get going.
So you've just got the first two pieces in, but this doesn't align very well. As you can see, there's a hole here, and we don't really want that. We want it to be quite flush. So I'm trying to draw a little line on the wood so we know where to cut it so it will fit flush. It's going to be quite difficult.
For these end pieces of cladding, we used the jigsaw to cut them off, making sure that we cut with the back of the cladding facing upwards so our surface wasn't damaged.
And then we cleaned up the edges with our sander using P180 sheets.
It's absolutely fine. If you're I'm holding it. If you're stressing out, let go. Because I'd rather you just let go than get angry.
I've been holding it for about
Okay, then just say,
minutes.
Harry, can I let go now? And of course you can, I'll take it. Don't get angry. Do you want to get me them screws then, the green ones? Over there. By the way, we're using 8x94 cladding from Wickes. And again, all the product links we're using are in the PDF document in the description below. Yo guys, we're back and it's Tuesday morning.
Yeah, so today we're carrying on with our wall cladding and kind of making the space for our windows, and you'll see what we mean when we get on with it.
So we get on with it now?
Yeah.
Let's go!
Woo! Oh, just turned on. So Harry and I have now done the timber struts over our... He's slurping on Fanta. Nice.
Delicious.
Over our windows. So we've done them here and we're ready to clad over them now, which is good.
Then we stuffed more of our thermofleece insulation by the blacked out windows and continued to clad over it.
So now we're doing the right side of our van, and we're putting cupboards all up here, a little space here, and then more cupboards all up here to the end above our kitchen. So because our cupboards will be in the way, we don't want to waste all of our expensive cladding up here. So we're going to do a little plank of plywood and put it all up here and then clad from down here from where you can actually see it. So yeah, that's what we're going to do now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go! Get excited!
So it's now Wednesday and we're carrying on with this side of the wall. It's raining badly today, so we've had to put the marquee up outside. Everything's a lot slower today, but yeah, we're still going to get it done. So yeah.
It's lovely day in England, very rainy. We love England.
Was that always like that way around?
I don't know, I don't care. Okay, very nice.
Very nice we go.
Very nice we go.
Here we go.
Here we go. Very nice.
Yeah, that's perfect there.
Right, so you just get hold of it all and I'll come screw it in.
Well, no, I'll screw it in here because I'm here. Your bag. I know where it is.
Though.
What?
She useless at screwing. Jesus. That one.
Oh. What?
Right, get out of my face.
Oh.
Ow.
Don't do that.
Not a lot. Alright guys, so we're going to call it a day there because it's raining. It's shit weather. It's just a depressing day really. Yeah, so we're going to get back on the grind tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we're going to see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Peace. Bye.
Bye, Felicia.
Hello, family. Right, we need to stop with that. It is kind of basically out, like.
It's popped out here. There you go. Oh.
Oh no. Why did you do that?
So it's now Friday and we've almost finished our wall cladding.
Almost, but we've got a lot of little bits to still do, so we're just measuring out some wood now and cutting it up.
Yep.
Got my cool glasses on.
Yeah, you look really cool.
Looking hard.
So, we've done our pocket hole here. It's the first time we use our little pocket hole kit from Amazon.
So it does look a bit of a mess, but
yeah,
it's not really, it doesn't matter because it's all going to be cladded over the top, but why we did it is hopefully you'll see in a minute after we've done our cladding, hopefully we'll give it a flush finish underneath so that yeah, you don't see like up under the cladding.
Yeah, because then you'll see this reflectix.
So should we finish the cladding quickly?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright guys, it's Saturday today. It is the day the video is getting posted. So we're just going to finish off some small bits of cladding, put in one more support beam, and yeah, it's just pretty easy, isn't it? So
yeah,
hopefully.
Just finishing off little bits, and then next week we can get on to some more exciting stuff.
And paint this all.
Yeah.
Cool.
Love that I've ever known, but we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time.
So that's it for this week's video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next week for more DIYing.